Cryptography. One of the tools used in blockchain technology to keep data safe is cryptography. This is a mathematical practice used to hide and lock data in order to keep data hidden from third parties. This practice uses complex mathematical processes to encrypt information and keep it away from prying eyes. And these encryptions can only be decrypted by certain keys. It's basically like when children create their own secret language to keep their conversations private from their siblings, but a more advanced version. We have a separate chapter for cryptography that goes a little more in depth. The combination of decentralization, cryptography, and transparency gives blockchain its unique characteristics. The decentralization provides security and keeps data safe, while transparency gives the validating role to the underlying network of computers, successfully eliminating third parties who, up until now, did the validation themselves. And the cryptography creates a situation where information can be broadcast to everyone, while personal information about the sender is never revealed.